In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Slack from launching on login. If Slack pops open every time your computer starts, it can slow you down and clutter your desktop before you're ready. The good news is that you can turn this off in two quick places. First, inside Slack itself, and then in your operating system's startup settings. I'll walk you through both so it's fully disabled. Begin by opening the Slack desktop app. We'll change a setting that controls whether Slack starts automatically. Open Slack's preferences. Depending on your system, you can get there by selecting preferences from the menu bar or by clicking your profile or workspace name and choosing preferences from the dropdown. Once you're in preferences, look for the advanced section. Inside advanced, find the option labeled Launch App on Login. Uncheck that box. This tells Slack not to add itself to your startup list in the future. There's no save button needed. Your change applies immediately. If you use multiple workspaces within the same app, this setting covers them all on that device. Next, double-check your operating system's startup applications, because Slack can still be set to start from there. On Windows, the easiest route is to open Settings, go to Apps, then Startup, and look for Slack in the list. Toggle it off if it's on. You can also do this from Task Manager under the Startup tab by right-clicking Slack and choosing Disable. On macOS, open System Settings, go to General, then Login Items. In the list of items that open at login, select Slack and remove it or toggle it off. If you're on an older version of macOS, you'll find this under System Preferences, Users and Groups, then Login Items. On many Linux desktops, look for Startup Applications or Session and Startup in your system settings and disable Slack there if it appears. With both the Slack preference and your system startup list checked, Slack won't automatically open the next time you sign in to your computer. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same places and turn the option back on. As a quick tip, reviewing your startup items from time to time can help your computer boot faster and keep you focused on the apps you actually want at launch. That's it. You've stopped Slack from launching on login, and your desktop should feel a little calmer when you start your day.